Shame awakens. Fear takes hold. We hide. We run from the God we used to know. Eyes are opened, not to glory, but to guilt and broken story. Fig leaves cannot hide the fall. We have lost it all. Blame is passed from hand to hand. Dust now trembles where we stand. Fear replaces perfect trust. Golden image turned to dust. But God is speaking into the ruins. 17 words breathe life again into the grave of fallen men. A promise spoken in the night. The war is set, the end in sight. The sea will come, the serpent fall. One will rise to save us all. From Eden lost to life restored. 17 words, the voice of the Lord. Not the seed of Adam's line, corrupted blood through space and time. No son of man can make it right. Dead hearts cannot raise to life. So the promise breaks the mold. Mystery the ages hold. From the woman life will rise. God himself in flesh disguised before creation. This was written. 17 words breathe life again into the curse of fallen men. The head will crush, the heel be torn. Through death itself, new life is born. The serpent struck, but not the end. The cross will break what sin has penned. From tree of death to life outpoured. 17 words, the voice of the Lord. First Adam brought the fall,
Second Adam,
saves us all.
one brought death into the land.
One restores by wounded hand.
Curse the man upon the tree.
Yet that curse has set us free,
Greatest evil, greatest good.
meeting where the cross once stood. Now, and not yet, we walk by faith. 17 words, now life is won.
Life is one.
The work fulfilled, the victory done.
Victory done.
The light has come into the dark.
And left his everlasting mark.
No more curse,
And no
more pain,
and no more
no more loss, and no more by the promise.